Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're re-diving deep into a game-changing makeup technique that has been an industry secret for decades, tightlining. If you've ever wondered how celebrities and models get that super full, defined lash line without looking like they're wearing a ton of eyeliner, this is the trick. Stick around because I'm going to show you how this simple step can completely transform your eyes. So, what exactly is tightlining? It's also known as invisible eyeliner. Instead of drawing a line on top of your lash line, you're applying eyeliner directly into the upper waterline and right at the base of your lashes. This fills in the gaps between your eyelashes, creating the illusion of a much thicker, darker lash root. The result is subtle yet incredibly impactful. Your eyes look more defined, awake, and your lashes appear instantly fuller and more luscious. The history of accentuating the eyes is as old as makeup itself. Think about ancient Egyptians who famously used kohl to line their eyes, not just for beauty, but to protect against the sun's glare. While their methods were bold, the core idea was the same, defining the eye to make it stand out. Fast forward through the centuries, and you see different eyeliner trends come and go. The 1920s flapper had smoky, rounded eyes. The 1960s brought the dramatic winged liner. But through it all, makeup artists have been quietly using tightlining behind the scenes to perfect every look. It's the foundation that makes every other eye makeup style look better. Now, let's talk about why tightlining is so effective for different face and eye shapes. This isn't a one-size-fits-all trend. It's a foundational technique. If you have hooded eyes, for example, a thick line on your lid can disappear when your eye is open, taking up valuable space. Tightlining, however, defines your eyes without sacrificing any of that precious lid area, making your eyes appear larger and more open. For those with smaller or deep-set eyes, it adds definition without closing the eye off the way a heavy, dark liner can. And if you have wide-set eyes, tightlining the inner part of your waterline can help create the illusion that they are closer together. It's a truly universal trick that enhances your natural features. So, how do you do it? It might seem a little intimidating at first, but I promise it's easy once you get the hang of it. First, choose your product. A waterproof pencil eyeliner or a gel liner with a small, flat brush works best. You need something long-wearing that won't smudge or transfer to your lower waterline. My personal favorite is a soft, waterproof gel pencil because it glides on smoothly. Alright, let's get to the application. You can gently lift your upper eyelid with one hand to expose the upper waterline. Look down into a mirror. This position naturally exposes the area you need to get to. Now, with your other hand, take your eyeliner and gently press and wiggle the product right into the roots of your top, lashes, and onto that strip of skin just underneath them. You're not drawing a line in one single motion. It's more of a series of small dashes and dots, filling in all the little gaps. Be gentle. You don't need a lot of pressure. The key is to deposit the color at the very base of the lashes. One of the biggest benefits of tightlining is that it's perfect for no makeup looks. On days when you just want a little something to look more awake, you can tightline, curl your lashes, add a coat of mascara, and you're good to go. It gives you that polished look without appearing overdone. It's also the secret to making false lashes look more natural, as it blends the lash band seamlessly into your own lash line. And that's the magic of tightlining, a simple, quick step that makes a world of difference. It's one of those professional techniques that, once you start doing it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Do you have any of your own tightlining tips? Share them below. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.